How to add page numbers automatically in Canva. Let's go. First, click on text, then click on dynamic text page numbers. You will directly get this page number down here on every page you have. Of course, you can also edit this page number text, same as you do with the other text in Canva. Make it bigger, change the font or the color, everything is possible. If you double click on the page number text, this window will open. If you do some changes on the page text, you need to press Apply properties to all pages. This way you will get the edits you did on each page. You can change the format if you want numbers only or page plus numbers or page 1 of 8 for example. You can also show the numbers only on specific pages as you can see here. Just uncheck the pages you don't want. Of course you can also change the position and the size, for example to do it into the center or on top of the page. If you changed something or did some edits on this text, you can click on Apply Properties to all pages so you have it on each page. If you want to remove every page number, you can do it at once if you click on Remove all page numbers. Thank you for watching and see you next time.